everyone, this is Predicate from Asian International School, and in today's video we will learn about subject and predicate. Every sentence is made up of two parts. Number one, the subject. Number two, predicate. In every sentence we mention a person or a place or a thing. So the person, the place or the thing we mention in a sentence is the subject. And when we say something about that place or that thing or about that person is the predicate. Now, let us look at these examples. Number one, a policeman appeared on the scene. Here, a policeman is the subject and appeared on the scene is the predicate. Or we can say that a policeman is the main focus of the sentence and appeared on the scene gives us more information about the subject, that is a policeman. Next, we move on to the next sentence. We won the match. Here, we is the subject and won the match is the predicate. That means we is the main focus and we are getting more information about the subject we in the predicate. We won the match. In statements, the subject is usually placed before the predicate. But sometimes for the sake of emphasis, this order can be reversed. So, we should not be in a delusion that a subject always comes before a predicate. Now, let us look at this example. In a corner of a room stood Ranjit. Here, in a corner of a room stood is the predicate and Ranjit is the subject. So, we can see that for the sake of emphasis, the order has been reversed. But usually the subject is placed before the predicate. But here we can see that the predicate is placed before the subject. Now we move on to subject in an imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is a command. So, a subject is not needed there. So, in imperative sentence, the subject is always you. Although it is not stated, it is implied. Now, let us take these two sentences. Number one, wait outside. Number two, take this medicine every day. Here, these sentences usually implies you must wait outside or you should take this medicine every day. Here it is clear that the word you in both the sentences is the subject. In imperative sentence, the subject is always you, but it is implied and not stated. Now we will learn about subject in interrogative and exclamatory sentences. In questions and exclamations, the word order is slightly changed and the subject is not placed first. So, in order to find out the subject, it is also helpful to write these sentences in statements. Now, for example, have they bought the books? Or how nice you are. In these two examples, you can see that the first example is an interrogative sentence and the second example is an exclamatory sentence. Now, in both the cases, if we change the sentence into a statement, it is easier for us to identify the subject. For example, in the first sentence, have they bought the books? So, if we change this sentence into a statement, they have bought the books. Here it is very clear that the word they is the subject and have bought the books is the predicate. Now, in case of the second sentence, how nice you are, that is an exclamatory sentence. If we change this exclamatory sentence into a statement, you are nice, here also it is easier for us to find that you is the subject and are nice is the predicate. So, in order to find out the subject, it is always helpful to write these sentences as statements. Now, let us understand the predicate a little better. Point number 1. A predicate is always longer than a subject. Point number 2. A predicate will always contain a verb and an object. And what is a verb? A verb is an action performed by the noun or the subject in a statement, whereas an object is the second noun or pronoun in the sentence. It is a set of words upon which the subject performs the work. So, a sentence is divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. A predicate again is divided into two parts, that is a verb and an object. Example, I am eating fruits. So here I is the subject, am eating fruits is the predicate. Now if we divide the predicate, we will see that am eating is the verb or an action and fruits is the object. Please note, only a noun or a pronoun can be an object. So we can see that the subject is connected with the object through the verb in a sentence. So with this we complete the chapter. Children, please don't go out of your houses, sanitize your hands frequently, and always remember, the more we stay indoor, the better we recover from this pandemic situation. Thanks for watching this video.